As you all know, the government has started a new drive for vaccinating the individuals. It's a campaign, and that is called as Tika Utsav, organized between 11th April and 14th April. As healthcare workers, it is a duty of all of us to motivate people. Let us all motivate the persons, the eligible people, which at present is anybody above the age of 45. We will bring them here to our center to get themselves vaccinated.
ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವೀಗ. ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಕೈ ನೋವು, ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದಾಗೆ, ತಲೆನೋವಾದಾಗೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಿಸ್ ಆದಾಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಭಯಪಡುವಂಥದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವು, ಜ್ವರ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೋಲೋ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು.
Sir, so now you have been vaccinated. This is your second dose. But you have to remember that even post-vaccination, there is a small chance of you having an infection. But studies say that even if you have infection, the chances of you having a severe infection and getting admitted or going into ICU would be very low. Also, you have to follow the social distancing measures and the wearing of mask in public places and usage of alcohol-based hand rubs when you are in any public spaces, and not to visit any places which are expected to be crowded. Also, you might have some pain or some fever or headache post the vaccination in the next 48 hours, for which you can take the regular pain medications.
Mrs. Sudhani, she has had 2 angioplasties done, and she also has hypertension and diabetes. Her son has brought her for vaccination. You can talk to her.
ಇರೆಗ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ದುಂಬು ಇರೆಗ್ದಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತಂಡ
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ಆಟದಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ನಡಪೆರ ಪೂಜೆ ಆತೇರಿನಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ತಿನಿಯರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂಚಾಪು ಜಿಂಕಿ ಒಂದೊಂತೆ ನುಪ್ಪುಂಟಿನಿ ತಿನಿಯರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂಚಿನಿ
ಆಟದ ಶುಗರ್ BP ಅವಪುರ
ಮತ್ತೊಂದು
ಅವಲ ಏತ್ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು
ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಉಂಟು ಒಂದು ಆದ್ಯ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆದ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕಡಿ ಆಂಡು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸತ್ಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದುಂಡು ಆಟ ಅದು
ಇತ್ತ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಕ್ಕ ಇರೆಗ್ ಎಂಚ ಅವೊಂದುಂಡು ದಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಒಂದುಂಡ ಎಂಚ ಬೇನೆ ಉಂಡ ಅಂಚದಾಲ ಉಂಡ ಇರೆಗ್
ಪೈತೇನೆ
ಇತ್ತೆ ಅಂದೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಕ್ಕ
ದಾಲ
ತೊಂದರೆ ಬೈಚಿ ದಾಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂಚ
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure and privilege to talk on this Tika Mahotsav program organized by K.S. Hegde Medical Academy, Nitte University and NSS unit of Nitte University. The vaccination drive, which started somewhere around mid-January, has been going on, and initially we started with healthcare workers, followed by frontline workers, and then now the government of India has provided for anybody aged above 45 years without any comorbidities to take the vaccines. Unfortunately, what we have noticed is the response is not adequate as we have seen, because this pandemic has been going on almost for a year, and initially people were very enthusiastic to get a vaccine, and once it is available, there seems to be a lot of vaccine hesitancy. I can assure you that vaccine that has been produced in India, that is Covishield and Covaxin, both are very safe, extremely rare side effects to happen, and definitely these vaccines have been proved, though they may not prevent a person from getting infected, but they certainly prevent the seriousness, the person going to serious infection and hospitalization. And that is a life saved, which is very, very important. So this is the benefit of vaccine, and even after taking vaccine, we need to follow all COVID appropriate behavior, that is wearing a mask, maintaining social distancing, and frequent hand wash with sanitizer and soap. So please everybody, it's my sincere request to everyone to get themselves vaccinated, whoever are eligible. And as and when the government eases the vaccination norms, everybody should get vaccinated and fight against this COVID to take out this COVID completely from the globe itself. Thank you.